Ehe, tata asị m ka m na achọrọ m ịkpa di m obi aṅụrị. Anọ m ya tata nwere ebe m na-eje nsị ka m kwaa aka wee sie elu di m ezigbo ofe ọ kachasị wee fụ n'anya ya bụ ofe ọra.
Have you seen a fine girl today? Well, that was Chizzy Aliche trying to let us know that today, being the 1st of July, she decided to make her husband's best meal, which is oha soup and pounded yam. She actually prepared this from the bottom of her heart. My people, at the end of this video, you must learn something. I don't want to reveal it to you, but please do want to watch this video to the end. So this was where she was peeling the yam, trying to boil it in order for it to get soft for her to pound and then turn it to what her husband will use as swallow. She was still trying to cook her oha soup here. This was the ending part of the soup where she puts the oha leaf. And right here is our pretty Chizzy Aliche pounding yam on her knees, my people. This is lovely. This is I'm already salivating. I don't know if you are too. I'm already salivating. This actually teaches us that we can actually do more to keep our husbands to ourselves. Men love good food, and this happens to be her husband's best meal. The husband's reaction in this video is what I really want you to watch critically, because if you watch very well, I'm sure you're going to replicate this video that Chizzy Aliche made, or the video she made. Did you see that the husband handed over to her his ATM card? This is the second one. My people, what does that tell you? It means that whatever that Chizzy Aliche wants, she will get using those ATM cards. Or what are you waiting for? I really love this lady a lot. I don't know if you do too. I love Chizzy Aliche, and when you look at the things she used to cook the meal, you see that she used cocoyam. That was the thickener she used, and the number of proteins she used. Oh my goodness, it's good to have money. Oh. When you have money, you can buy whatever you want. Anything at all you want can easily come by. May God bless the pocket of as many who are watching this video and make them buy, eat, get whatever they want at all in the name of Jesus. Of course, you can see the kitchen. You can see the kitchen and the utensils in this kitchen. I just thought to share this lovely moment with you because it's not every time we bring bad news. At least this one will oppress the singles. If you're single and you're watching this video, I'm sure you will say, enough, enough. Please pity the singles. If you're single, you can also learn from Chizzy Aliche. If you're married, you can as well learn. In case you have never done something like this for your husband, please try it. Try it. Let's see if he's going to release his ATM cards to you as Chizzy's husbands did. My people, do well to share your testimony when you finally try this wonderful idea that Chizzy Aliche has thrown to her fans. So if you're a lover of Chizzy Aliche, please do this. Do this, replicate this, and then let us know how it went. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you. Please do well to like this video, share it, subscribe to our channel, and also drop a comment about what you think about what Chizzy Aliche did. She even wrapped it up with a kiss. Whoa. May God continue to give us happy homes in Jesus' name.